Hello friends, this session my next element is beryllium. Beryllium is fourth element in periodic table. Atomic number 4, group 2, period 2, block S, block element, elemental category, alkaline, earth metal, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, electron parcel 2, 2. Atomic property of beryllium, oxidation state 0, +1, +2 and amphoteric oxide. Electronegativity Pauling scale 1.57. Ionization energy first that is 899.5 kJ per mole. Second that is 1757.1 kJ per mole. Third that is 14848.7 kJ per mole. Atomic radius empirical 112 pm. Covalent radius 96 ± 3 pm. Van der Waals radius 153 pm. Three main isotopes of beryllium. First one that is 7 beryllium abundance trace amount. Second one that is 9 beryllium abundance 100%. Third one that is 10 beryllium abundance trace quantity. Chemical properties of beryllium. When left exposed, beryllium will quickly react with oxygen to form beryllium oxide. This beryllium oxide from the reaction coat the metal with layer which prevent further oxidation. Next one that is react with acid to form water and hydrogen gas. Third one does however resist attack by nitric acid. Next one solubility of beryllium and its salt vary. Beryllium chloride, fluoride, nitrate, phosphate and sulfate are all soluble. Other beryllium compounds are either insoluble or slightly soluble. Has one naturally occurring isotopes have a 6 other radioactive isotopes. These isotopes have a no commercial use. Radioactive isotopes are ones that break apart and give off some from the radiation. These isotopes are produced when very small particles are fired at the atoms. Three important uses of beryllium. First one, gemstone. Beryllium is found in the mineral beryl. Varieties of beryl include emerald and aquamarine. Next one, alloys. Beryllium is alloys with other metal and used in a component of a rocket and satellite and aircraft. Next one, telescopes. The primary mirror of a NASA James Webb Space Telescope is made from the gold-coated beryllium. Properties of beryllium. Beryllium is a solid at room temperature with the density of 1.85 gram per centimeter cube. Color that is a gray color. Melting point 1278 degrees Celsius. Boiling point 2970 degrees Celsius. It is also required in those applications where an excellent heat conductor with high strength and hardness and with a very high melting point is needed. Even it should act as an electrical insulator. History of beryllium. The name of the chemical element beryllium is derived from the Greek word beryllos, means pale from the mineral beryl. In 1798, Louis Nicolas Vauquelin, a French chemist, discovered that an unknown element was present in emerald and beryl. Beryllium was first found in emerald from the mountain of France and California. First isolation of beryllium by Friedrich Wöhler and Antoine Bouchy in 1828. Beryllium's uses. Beryllium is used to make a beryllium copper. Beryllium copper is used to make spring, electric contacts, no sparking tools and spot welding electrodes. Beryllium is used in a space shuttle and other spacecraft. Beryllium is used in X-rays. Beryllium is also as a reflector. According to this data, beryllium used as a 15% for mechanical equipment, 20% for electrical and IT, 20% for electrical and domestic appliances, 10% for road transport, 5% for aircraft, shipbuilding and trains, 15% for other consumer goods, 10% for rubber, plastic and glass, 5% for metals. It have a many industrial uses. These includes aerospace, space shuttle component, structural material for high-speed aircraft and missiles. Next one, atomic energy, nuclear weapon components, nuclear reactor components. Next one, ceramics, crucible, ignition modules, jet engine blades, semiconductor chips. Next one, electronics, computer part, telecommunication part, transistors. Next one, metallurgy, aluminum, copper, magnesium and nickel beryllium alloys. In organic chemistry, organoberyllium chemistry is limited to academic research due to cost and toxicity of beryllium. Beryllium derivatives and reagents required for the introduction of beryllium such as a beryllium chloride. Organometallic beryllium compounds are known to be highly reactive. Example of a known organoberyllium compound are dineopentyl beryllium, beryllocene, diallyl beryllium, by the exchange reaction of a diethyl beryllium with triallyl boron. In healthcare, beryllium is a component of several dental alloys. The extraction of beryllium from its compound is a difficult process due to its high affinity for oxygen at elevated temperature and its ability to reduce water when its oxide film is removed. In this flowchart, beryllium ores after ore extraction forms a beryllium hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxides have a metal alloys and beryllia. In metal, reduction with beryllium fluoride, consolidation, then fabrication. In alloys, with master alloys, low fired beryllium oxide forms a product and then wrought and fabricated. Beryllia, beryllium oxide powder, beryllium sulfate, then ceramics greenware and then ceramics finished. Thank you.